Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the third position we have Add Watermark option, so by using this button we can turn it on or turn it off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how the Honor watermark looks like. To see the picture, let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. And as you can see, we have the Honor 9X Pro triple camera watermark. Of course, when we don't need it, we can go back to the camera, then tap to the right corner once again and use this button to turn it off. And for now, when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.